Want a new color? Hannah. Oh, don't do that. We're not done coloring. Here. Here, color. That's purple. Color some more. Well, here, let me hold your paper. There you go. You're supposed to be coloring. Oh, you dancing? You like the music? What are you doing? It doesn't fit. Do you want more markers? All right. We'll see you later.